Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. So today we want to be working on an Asoke Fascinator, and the materials we need, of course, we need Asoke. We need a hairband, we need some feathers, we need our B6000 or UHC, whatever, a pack of things, and a few uh, trimmings, of course, your scissors and your candle gum and your tape. So let's hop over to this tutorial. For this tutorial, we are going to need two 40 inches and 40 inches by 2. So I'm going to place it and cut it out. That's all you need your tape for. You need your 40 inches by 2. So then we'll go ahead and fold the mouth, the edges of the mouth with our glue gun, just to seal the ends. You can also sew it down, but there's no need since I'm using candle gum. I'll just go ahead and fold it in. This one is ready. I'll go ahead and fold the mouth of the second one. This is a bit messy because the Asoke has a lot of lines in between that penetrates gum. So as you're working, try to do it neatly and flat. Make sure it's very flat so it doesn't pull out. Okay, so that one is ready. Then the next thing, our band, we need to wrap it up. We need to wrap our band. To wrap it, we'll just go ahead and cut. We'll go ahead and cut a bit of the material. And to wrap it, you don't need the material to be. Just cut it into 2. So when you cut it into 2, check for the side that is rough. Of course, you know this one is the English mouth, so the side that is rough, please make sure it is doesn't show. So you go ahead, fold it this way. You can decide to just touch gum like this. I try to avoid too much gum because it will show, but just use your discretion and work. Then you go ahead to place it this way. Right. So you go ahead and you see why you need to hide the other one inside. The English mouth is what is showing. The one that will cut into 2, this part is already hidden inside. You can see it. You can see the threads coming out. So make sure when you are wrapping it into 2, that part is hidden. That part is hidden. So you go ahead and use your gum on it, and you start wrapping it around. You start wrapping it. Pull tightly. Pull it very tight so that it wraps. You don't need to go around with gum, too much gum. Just pull it tightly. As long as the English mouth is hidden inside, there is no need for gum to wrap it. So pull it as tightly as possible so that it's flat. It's flat enough.
It's not just fashion, it's the arts we wear. Bold and beautiful, we show we care. Every piece a story, every curve a spark. From the heart of the craft, we leave our mark. And this millinery,
Okay, so this mine did not reach. I probably didn't calculate well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to
toes and
add gum here
the
and
way you
get a little of the material
creativity divine.
to cover
One
it
of a
again for
kind,
me.
and this millinery, the world can see the queen you are naturally. From head to heart, we lift your soul. Fashion with purpose,
I'll
we
go ahead and
make
measure
it
these
bold.
materials. Let's see how many inches is
Limitless
so that next time when
style,
we're
we
working,
break no
okay, this is
sweat.
20 inches, so probably
Colors
24
and
inches would have done the
curves, a
job. So next
vibe
time
you
while you are
won't
working,
forget.
measure 24 inches for this job.
Tradition is
So I'll
strength,
just go
a
ahead and
seamless blend.
follow this
And
waist.
this craft, your timeless friend. Ankara dreams and Asoke gold. Stories untold through fabric bold. Every hat we make a royal sign. Sand is millinery, your crown, your shine. Sand is millinery, crown your
Remember
style.
the
Oh,
part,
wear your beauty,
the part
wear
that
your
is rough
glow.
from the cotton,
Fascinators and
hide it
hats,
inside.
the way
You
you
want to start
shine.
apply from
Creativity
underneath,
divine,
apply
one
gum,
of a kind. Sand is
then you start again
millinery,
just like
the world
you
can
normally
see
do.
the queen you
See that I
are
you can see that I
naturally.
covered the part
From
where I
head
ended
to
the other one
heart,
exactly, so it looks as
we
if
lift your
they are
soul.
together.
Fashion with
Then
purpose, we make you
you
bold.
start pulling just like you normally would.
Yeah, yeah, Sandys, wear
So
your
when you get to the
pride.
end,
From
when you get to the
Africa
end,
to
add your gum
worldwide,
and
millinery
wrap
with
it up.
heart and art combined. You wear a Sandys, you're one of a kind.
So this first part is done. Trim off any thread that came out. Then this part, add a little glue in order to seal it up and make it flat. So this is your band is ready. Your band is ready. Then we'll go over to this part. Go over to this part and start. This is a fan style. If you know how to fan very well, you're going to be able to do it. So for this style, you need to fan. I always say in some of my tutorial video that print and fan is the most important thing when learning this autogele, because if you can print, if you can
Wear a
fan, you can do most of the
Sandys,
styles. For this, I'm going to need some pins.
style. Yeah,
So first of all, just the way you fan, you
Sand is
fold,
strength, we shine
add your pin,
worldwide. Yeah.
uh,
Step in the room, all eyes on you.
you fold again,
Confidence glowing, the hat says it too. From Lagos
add
streets
your
to
pin.
London lights, and this touch makes your moment right. It's not just fashion, it's the arts we wear. Bold and beautiful, we show we care. Every piece a story, every curve a spark. From the heart of the craft, we leave our mark. Sand is millinery, crown your style. Oh, wear your beauty, wear your glow. Fascinators and hats, the way you shine. your timeless friend. Ankara dreams and that's so gold. Stories untold through fabric bold. Every hat we make a royal sign. Sand is millenary, your crown, your shine.
You can see that the fan is already forming. In fact, the style I want is already coming out. Just keep going till you get to the end.
Creativity divine, one of a kind. Sand is millenary, the world can see.
Like this is a very beautiful color, and the fans are coming out well. This is two-tone material. Please, this style, either you do it with two-tone or big cotton, anything less or metallic or ashego, any soft material. This cannot stand. Please, whatever you are doing, make sure you are doing this with a very thick material. Anything short of that, no, it will not give you this beautiful pleats while you're fanning it. So invest in good material for this particular design. This is also a small size. You can as well do a very big size if you want. It all depends on what the style you're working, but generally this is it. Okay, so this is it. That's finished. So we have to go ahead and start. We'll go ahead and start pleating it. So this is, see how beautiful it is.